So we just got back from Great Wolf Lodge 2 hours ago. Got the stuff put away, did the dishes I left. So not a lot of time for prep. I have frozen chicken that was left from last week. We got Hot Lava Mountain going on in the background. Frozen chicken from last week, and then that I put in the freezer before we left, and then some frozen beef. So I'm gonna defrost this in the microwave a little bit, and then try to do some cheeseburger bowls and some buffalo chicken something. So to defrost the beef, it's already cooked. Both of these are already cooked. So I do it super thin so that when you go to defrost it, or actually even cook with it, it's already in chunks. So you whack it, see? Then it's already in chunks. I probably could throw it right in the skillet. Why do you need food in there? For a Hot Lava Mountain? Oh, you're gonna deliver it. Hold on. And we got this. Gonna tent it with a lid. Probably some kid drinks. Because who doesn't love kid drinks?
You.
I love kid drinks. You could put some kid drinks in there. Then I'm gonna defrost this. I'm guessing that it's, I don't know, 2 pounds, something like that. So we'll be back. Oh, we have some baby spinach for our special delivery, an apple, and 2, Honest Kids super fruit punch. Thank you. This going in here. Don't judge my super clean microwave. I put that bad boy up there. It'll cook down. Trying to get a non-fingerprint angle here. 2 pounds, get it. I am not gonna leave it in there that long. So I defrosted this for about 7 minutes. So then when it comes out, it's still a little messy, but just break it up with your hands. Just get in there. It's still gonna be a little frozen, not a big deal. It'll steam off in the pot. So we're gonna put this in there. Ketchup, mustard, chopped up pickles. It's going on noodles because I feel like making noodles and it's quick. So that's what we're doing. The buffalo chicken stuff will probably also go with noodles. Sweet, smell my feet. Give me something good to eat. Same thing with the chicken. I had it in smaller chunks. Gonna put it in there, defrost it for the 7 minutes and 22 seconds that's left on there. With the plate on top. I don't know why, I just think it helps.
Mommy.
What? Do you want his bandages on still?
Mommy.
Sometimes it's not the cooking
Mommy.
that takes the hours. He's got a spider pup. See how the legs are really long?
Yeah.
You still want this on him all the way? Buzz, what do you think? Good? All right, well, come here a second. Hulk smash. Hey, Buzz, come here a second. This should be Hulk's sidekick. Hey, Hulk smash. Hey, chill. Look, there, is that good? Scared the dog. All right, Hulk, you got your sidekick. Spider dog. Very cool. All right, oodles and noodles going in. Do the whole box, the rest of the box, we're gonna do 1 cup per bowl. For the cheeseburger bowls, we're gonna chop up some pickles because that's what makes it. So, I have this, it's called a Fabio Viviani thing. It's awesome. It's got these cool blades in it. Going in the pickles with my hands. Because we're probably gonna use all of them. Nobody is gonna be a guest in my house eating my pickles. I'm just trying to help people cook and give them ideas. Pickles, we got pickles in there. You can help me chop the chicken. On the noodles, does it say 4 yet? Well, you can't chop with your Hulk hands. Yes. This button. Nope, this one. Oh, your hands are. Okay, that's good. Chop. Awesome. Stir those noodles at 3. We got a noodle stir. All right. Pickles are chopped. Now, even though I don't need the pickles with the chicken, I'm not washing it. Wait till 2. All right. Now, the chicken is still a little frozen, but that's why we're going to chop it up in smithereens. Hang on, Bubba. All right. Hang on. Wait. Go for it. Push. All right. Now push the other button. We need the 2 right here. Can't. There you go. It up. And stop. Cool. See? All right, 2. Stir them noodles, Buzz. Chops it up super small. It's chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Hold on. Don't stick your hand in there. 1. All right. Hold on. Wait. I got to get it on there. When is it gonna go on? And push. Oh. Hold on. Push the other one. Oh. All right. Now push. Stop.
I just see again. Whoa.
All right, it's done? Oh, it's got 55 seconds. All right, Buzz gets to chop the last one. Hulk, do you want to go stir the noodles? No. All right, well, Buzz gets to do this one. He gets to push it for this one. Do you want to switch? No? All right, smash. Hold these. All right, Ethan, we're going to switch. Now he gets to stir the last. Can you get down? Hulk, you need that off? My lashes are so long. Don't touch anything, Buzz. You gotta wait.
But
All right, Hulk. Don't touch the side of the pan. Here, grab that. Can you stir? Oh, all right. All done. Let me turn that off. All right, can you put that spoon right there? Buzz. All right, you're gonna push this button. All right, push it hard. You're gonna need to use quite a bit of fingers there. Your whole hand. There you go. Keep going. And stop. All right.
these pickles.
Nope, this one is the chicken. Here's the pickles, chicken. All right, we're ready to cook, baby. We're gonna make a little Frank's buffalo chicken this. Well, you can take it off. You might have to get down and take it off. Frank's Red Hot. Don't know how hot people like it. We're going in with cottage cheese again. A lot of people don't like cottage cheese, but people don't even know that this is in here because it's our hidden flavor maker. It's gonna be pretty thick. So we're gonna put some dry ranch and, oh, you gotta get that off. And then some chicken broth to thin it out. And 5-second rule on the lid we just dropped. No dog hair, see? Totally safe. It's fine. Bam. I like to put a liquid on top so it doesn't stick on there.
I like it.
You like it? Yeah. Oh, see? It's real thick. So we're gonna thin that out a little bit.
Why?
I got you.
Why?
Hey, it's because you got your Velcro back here. So it stays on while you're doing all the buzz things. All right, and maybe a little bit more. Flavor, because sauce. Don't dump that in there. I don't even know what you got over there. Consistency?
Mommy,
That's better.
I won't be.
If I break this, you won't be my best friend? Is it because that's how we make milkshakes? All right, we got helpers cooking here. So, yeah, we're cooking.
Yeah.
All right, now I'm turning these on. None of this stuff needs to be cooked because it's all cooked. But we are putting it together so that we can have some flavor. I'm gonna put this in yours. Don't put that in the flame, please. All right, I'm gonna hold this and you scrape this in here. It's probably too much for this pan. So we're gonna do half and then another half because we only got so many pans. All right, we're gonna let it sizzle and all that. So, can you scrape that in there? Oh, hold on. We need a spot of pickle juice. Scrape that in there. That's good because we need to save the rest of the pickles for the rest. Stir that around. Try to keep it in the pan. All right, Levi. Here, let this go. Oh, sorry. You can scrape that in there. All of it, baby. Keep going, Hulk. Oh my gosh. Awesome.
Yeah, I got all it.
That is a lot. Can you stir that around without, do you want to wear the glove on your arm?
No.
Just don't touch the side of the pan. It's hot.
Levi, I'm gonna cook with you right here.
Can I have a turn? Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're just heating it all together so that we can get all that flavor in there. So you'll stir it around a little bit.
Mine is good.
Yours is good.
Yours the best.
All right, we're gonna open this up. We got going in here, we got mustard and we got ketchup. Put a little pickle juice. All right, squirt it in there. Go around, make circles. Get it everywhere. All right, Mia, off the couch. Mia, what are you, get off the couch. What are you doing? I understand. All right, ketchup, squeeze it. Circle, all right, now stir that around.
This looks like a sandwich.
All right, stir that around. All right, Levi, you ready? Here, we're gonna pour this on there. All right, buffalo sauce going in. You wanna dump it in here?
Daddy, we're cooking really good.
All right, I need this. Whoa.
I see you left you waiting for us.
All right, can you stir that around? Don't touch your hand to this. All right, don't touch your arm. Can I have a turn?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, it's gonna be creamy. We're gonna put this on top of noodles. We're gonna put the cheeseburger bowl on top of noodles because Mama does not feel like making rice this week.
Oh, are you making this for Dad and us?
Yep. All right. Then we'll package them up.
Are we making this for all of us?
So, since we're pressed for time, we're doing a cup. Since we're pressed a little for time, and we really only had an hour, even though we had our guest appearances, we got a cup of noodles. That is our carb. Noodles right now. In a perfect world, I would have potatoes with the beef. So, with the burger bowls, we're gonna do 9 ounces, 8.7. Oh, you know what? We should probably do 9.5, just because we, 10. Whoop, put some extra stuff in there. For our veggies, we're going canned, baby. Diced tomatoes. Drained, that is what's going in with the burger bowls, because who doesn't like tomatoes on their burger? You don't? Well, Dad does.
I'm dumb.
There's that one. Know where to put it. All right, noodles.
Veggie, go.
With the buff chick. Where did it go? Oh.
1, 2, 3. I will start it a big fire.
All right. We got 10, almost 11 just because we added sauce. And we're going canned green beans. This is about 2 cups, but I'm not gonna open up a quarter of it. So here's buffalo chicken bowls. You want green beans? I'll get you some green beans, hang on. If you would like to do some cheese, don't over cheese, because there's already some cheese on here. You just need a sprinkle. Oh, how did green bean get in here? Whoops. Don't need a lot of cheese, right? Don't over cheese. Oh, all right, bam. Cheeseburger bowl, buffalo chicken bowls.
I will.
If your kitchen doesn't look like this when you're done cooking, you ain't doing it right. So last thing, if your kid does like mine, my kid ate the rest of the noodles that I made. So I'm basically, since we got home so late, I'm just trying to get us to Wednesday. Plus the meat that I had put in the freezer, I put in there on Wednesday, I believe. So that means it set out for probably 3, because I prepped it on Sunday last week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's already had 3 or 4 days. So it's only got 2 more days in my mind. So that's why we want to get this eaten a little bit quicker. So on here, I do these tortillas, carb balance. They're 70 calories a piece. So if you're thinking in terms of carbs, this is like half a cup. If I were to do a half a cup of noodles, that's what that is. So I'm just weighing it because sometimes I overshoot on these. But the 1/8 of noodles that were supposed to go in my bowl, so I'm doing 5 ounces. Roll it. You could just put it in like this for prep, but I always like to pop it in the air fryer at 400 for 5 minutes just to give it a nice little crisp. And I think it just holds up better when you reheat it, so it's not so soggy when you reheat it. So that's gonna be my buffalo chicken bowl because I got no noodles. This is when they're done. That's the best. Crispy.